yes, today we're looking at hobbies and interests. What do you like doing? Drawing, drawing, drawing. I like drawing pictures. Reading, reading, reading. I enjoy reading books. Playing football, playing football, playing football. I love playing football. Singing, singing, singing. I like singing. Dancing, dancing, dancing. I like dancing. Swimming, swimming, swimming. I love swimming. Cooking, cooking, cooking. I enjoy cooking. Listening to music, listening to music, listening to music. I like listening to music. Taking photos, taking photos, taking photos. I love taking photos. Watching TV, watching TV, watching TV. I like watching TV. Playing the piano, playing the piano, playing the piano. I love playing the piano. Riding a bike, riding a bike, riding a bike. I enjoy riding my bike. Sightseeing, sightseeing, sightseeing. I love sightseeing. Playing computer games, playing computer games, playing computer games. I like playing computer games. Walking the dog, walking the dog, walking the dog. I enjoy walking my dog. Hiking, hiking, hiking. I love hiking. Review. Drawing, drawing. Reading, reading. Playing football, playing football. Singing, singing. Dancing, dancing. Swimming, swimming. Cooking, cooking. Listening to music, listening to music. Taking photos, taking photos. Watching TV, watching TV. Playing the piano, playing the piano. Riding a bike, riding a bike. Sightseeing, sightseeing. Playing computer games, playing computer games. Walking the dog, walking the dog. Hiking, hiking.
See you later, alligator.